Reparadise here today. We got a early 60s Airstream. We're gonna do a Restomod on. Had the frame powder coated. We did the axles as well, obviously. New torsion axles. I believe we went 7,500 on this one, so we had to replate it and, you know, make some adjustments to fit these big boys on there, but yeah, this thing will hold whatever these folks want to haul, that's for sure. Added a couple of tank mounts underneath. We've got a gray in the back, black in the center, and a new freshwater tank in the front up here. You know, we kept these, they weren't in the worst shape. Everything else is new, all Baltic birch flooring. This is gonna be a raised flooring with a bathroom and a bed. Pretty basic. We're about to throw the shell on and see how it looks. Got the body mostly on. We are gonna be doing a lot of body work with this one. We're gonna be moving these windows or just removing them. We might move one there, but the bathroom wall is gonna be right here in the way, so we're gonna move those. We're gonna take out that, I believe, and patch that over. The skylight's getting an AC, so that's gonna be a big top patch. We are gonna raise the floor in the back so that we can run our gray water plumbing to our tanks back here. It's gonna be a master bath with a center bed, and yeah, we'll see what happens, but so far so good. Got the 7,500 pound axles on here and they're gonna fill it up. So we'll see where it goes.